Hi, this is Rahul Singh, CIO Equities at Tata Mutual Fund. Firstly, hope you and your family are safe and healthy. While the second wave is behind us and there is a looming fear of the third wave, I hope the vaccination numbers remain strong and we all come out stronger. Among other factors, macro events like COVID has impacted the business cycle we are currently in. Business cycles arise as economy goes through a series of stages as it expands and contracts. This is characterized by downward or upward fluctuations of the GDP. Each business cycle has four phases: recession, recovery, expansion, and slowdown. Each phase in the business cycle presents unique investment opportunity. So incorporating business cycles theme into investments helps make most of the current economic environment. During a phase of recovery and expansion, investments that are more sensitive to faster economic growth and business activity are likely to occur. They are generally referred to as cyclical stocks. These include stocks of discretionary consumption, industrials, and banks, and has a fair bit of contribution from the mid and small cap. During the phase of slowdown and recession, defensive and structural growth investments are those that benefit from falling interest rates and have greater potential to outperform. They are generally referred to as defensive stocks. These include companies that experience steady consumer demand even during economic slowdowns and are typically dominated by large caps. The focus has shifted to business cycles investing over the last few years because of two reasons. The business cycles have become shorter. Cycles which earlier used to last 4 or 5 years have now shortened to 1 or 2 years. Over the last few years, the impact of top-down sector allocation has been quite great on the alpha generation. And Tata Business Cycles Fund aims to deploy the business cycle approach, investing in identifying economic trends and investing in sectors and stocks that are likely to outperform. During an expansion phase, it will buy sector leaders or companies benefiting disproportionately from the sectoral tailwinds during economic environments. During a contraction phase, it will invest in companies from sectors which provide cushion during the down cycles. Compared to other diversified funds, the business cycle fund therefore allows far greater concentration in sectoral allocation and in terms of the sector overweights and underweights. The portfolio parameters like portfolio churn, market cap allocation, number of stocks will be dependent on stage of the economic cycle. In a nutshell, this fund would invest in businesses on a macro basis with at least 80% of the portfolio invested as per the business cycles. We believe cycles have become shorter and any portfolio needs to adapt quickly to the changing environment. Hence, there is a great need for investors to consider Tata Business Cycles Fund in your portfolio and consider it as an investment opportunity to change with the changing times. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.